Good evening, Gucci Crew. We got a change of plans. A change of plans. Let me tell y'all. I am going to cook the noodles, but I'm want the noodles instead of the salad. He's my way to tomorrow and cook the salad. And I want the salad tomorrow. I want them noodles tonight, because I had some at lunchtime today and he want them. Just make me sick and mess up a wet dream. So guess what? I'm tired anyway. I put up 3 beds today. And I am broke down. I'm going to get me a nice hot bath. And I'm going to bed. I really, really am. I'm going to bed. I did a lot today, y'all. A lot today. A lot today. I done did a lot today. Done did a lot, baby. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I done did a lot. Man, me some melon. And a bowl of water. And I'm gone. The bed I go. Now a hot shower. I love the new house. But my God, I hate moving. I would never move again. If I do, I won't be the person unloading it. I can tell you that now. Got my good cold meal. I will not be the person unloading it. I'm tired. I'm disgusted. I had enough. Enough. Yeah. I ain't had no business with that salt I just put on the melon. Feet already swole the china and back. And they ain't got, well, they went down a lot today because, honey, I done took me 2 water pills. So they gone down a whole heap today. But it's just swollen. So, like I said, I'm going to take me a good hot shower. Ain't nothing wrong. I'm just tired. I done put up 2 California Kings and 1 Queen. And I am wore out. Literally worn out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in now. I'm finna turn my music on and I'm finna sit in my tub. And I'm finna just lay back and me some Dr. Teal. And baby, let it work every muscle I got. I ain't lying. I'm doing everything. Pull me to the G-string. I ain't lying. So, I just want y'all to know that. And to let y'all know that ain't nothing wrong with Big Baby. Y'all pay attention to y'all surrounding. Keep cool. And I will see y'all at 7 a.m. in the morning. Don't y'all forget to like, share, and follow this video. Go tell your friends about me. And everybody. Don't y'all forget to hit them reactions, okay? Hit you some hearts on here while you're watching this little bit of short video. In the morning, I will see y'all at 7 o'clock for homemade biscuits. We are cooking breakfast in the morning. So if you want to join me for breakfast in the morning, come on in, add a friend, honey. We make homemade biscuits and stuff in the morning, honey. I will be up and edit in the morning. We will be making some homemade biscuits. I love y'all. I'm going to try to have an amazing night. And I'll see y'all in the morning. If you're going to make biscuits with me, have you some self-rising flour, heavy whipping cream, buttermilk, or half a cup of water. That's it. That's it. You can have buttermilk or a half a cup of water. That's all you need. But you need self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. They're your main 2 sources, all right? I love y'all, Gucci Crew. Peace out. I'm tired. Love y'all.